In this tutorial, I'll review the Stealth Bird 4K drone. Is it legit or just another scam? Let's find out. The Stealth Bird 4K drone claims to offer high-quality aerial footage with a 4K camera, long battery life, and easy control. It's marketed as a budget-friendly option for beginners and hobbyists. Some users say it flies smoothly and the video quality is decent for casual use. However, many reviews report poor build quality, short flight time, and camera performance that doesn't match the 4K claim. Some also say the drone is unstable in wind and difficult to control. There are complaints about misleading advertising, lack of customer support, and issues with returns. While not completely fake, the Stealth Bird drone may not meet expectations for serious drone users. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more informative reviews. Thanks for watching.